Hey, Dan with Sky Scout Drones.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, Miss Heather.
All right. Fishing Girl coming at you with some amazing technology here. So tell me what these are.
These are sensors that fit on the Matrice M350 RTK.
That's a drone.
This is a big drone. It's my commercial drone. We do a lot of heavy lifting. Giant drone. The far camera down there, that's the H20T, and that would mount right up here in the front. That does thermal imaging. You can do roofs, front of the house, and what it'll do, it'll tell you the heat signature, if it's hot, cold, if you got an air leak, water leak, whatnot. Great tool to use.
Cool.
The one next to it is a L2. That is a LiDAR unit. It does 3D imaging. Very unique. People that use that would be more like contractors and developers, this, that, and the other, so they can get like the layout of the house from the outside.
Nice.
Really nice.
Okay.
And this one here is a P1 camera that mounts as well. That does regular photos, it does video, it does orthomosaics, which is perfect camera for it.
I'm sorry, what's a what?
It's an orthomosaic. It is last time I used this, we did a big field and it did like 600 images in one pass, took like 15 minutes. And then it stitches together all those pictures using GPS coordinates.
Wow.
Which we get from our satellite system. And this is the RS2, and it hooks right into every satellite that you can see in the hemisphere.
I feel like that's something every developer should have when they're looking at a big plot of land.
You would think.
Yeah, that would be really useful to them because they need to know what's out there for trees and
Absolutely.
Species and everything and anything, and that would certainly make life easier because our flora fauna is not very nice to climb through in Florida.
And what is not pictured is I have brackets on the bottom of this, and it's for what we call a drop system.
Okay.
I can put that on there. I can control it through my controller.
Are you dropping bad things? What are we dropping?
I'm dropping baby reveal balloons. It's a black balloon, and you'll never know until it hits the ground if it's pink or if it's blue.
Wow.
And it's quite the production.
That's pretty cool.
Yes.
I mean, I'm not having children. Let me just throw that out there. This is not any sort of an announcement, so I need to make that clear. But that's really cool that you can bring in some technology with,
Absolutely.
Very cool. And that's quite the little remote you have going on there.
Oh, yes. This is the controller, and it is one of the best controllers I've ever used. It's made by DJI. It was a Chinese company, but it's very comfortable. The hand coordination with this is unbelievable. You can reach everything with your fingers.
Nice.
It's ergonomically designed, very user-friendly.
And you won't run into any trees,
No.
which is very important for that quantity of money that is in that piece of technology.
Yes. And we fly with the collision avoidance on, so if I get near something, it just won't go. It'll stop, it'll send me a warning. I'm like, okay, done.
That's pretty smart.
Yes.
I will tell you that the first time I ever had a photographer fly a drone, which was when I first started in real estate, they flew it into a tree. And I just remember going, uh-oh. And I walked away. So I see the little one. That's probably the one that I see more frequently.
Yes. This is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cinematic.
Okay.
And it does video and it does photos, and there's 3 different lenses. So you have standard, the zoom, and then the telezoom.
Nice.
And it is an excellent drone.
So that's the drone that we normally use for houses when we're taking our aerials. We want to show the pool, we want to show the lot, the neighborhood, maybe the waterway that's behind it, any of those things. Okay, what's our last little toy down there?
Our last little toy, if we decide we want to do a 3D walkthrough tour, or I'm sorry, not a 3D, but a regular video tour, I can mount my camera right here, plug this in, and I can watch the tour as we're going, and I can follow you along, and it stays very stabilized because there are gyros in here that keep the camera stable.
Nice.
Very nice tool.
That's really cool. We're going to need to do some of those, especially in the house that we're in right now that's up for sale. We need to do that. Very cool.
Indeed.
So what is this?
This is a satellite receiver.
Okay.
And that works, sends a signal to my drone. So wherever I'm at on the planet, I can do precision. When I do RTK, which is when I do orthomosaics, that GPS stitch,
Yep.
I get a satellite signal from here to the drone, and my accuracy from 400 feet is plus or minus 1 centimeter horizontally and plus or minus 3 vertically.
Wow, 400 feet. So that's no, that's not 4 football fields. That's a football field and a little bit up. That's a lot.
Yes.
I mean, a football field, if you're standing on end, that's pretty high, and you're a centimeter potentially off. Ooh.
And you have to remember, it's not stationary. We're going anywhere from 12 to 20 miles an hour.
Wow.
So that's pretty impressive.
That's really awesome. Cool. And then, of course, we have, you know, the standard camera.
Standard camera we use for MLS.
Yep.
Right here, tripod.
Yep.
And then we have the Zillow 3D tour camera over there in front of the chalk or the poster board.
Over here.
Yes.
Okay. And one of the things that I noticed that you don't have featured here, but I know that you use, is all the lighting.
Yes.
Yeah. So tell me a little bit about some of those challenges with lighting in Florida, because we're a bright and sunshiny place, and I can't imagine how challenging that is to take photos.
It is very challenging. The room temperature, the white balance changes room to room, and it's a challenge.
Yeah.
You've got to have the right ambient lighting. You've got to have the right flash settings and use more than one flash. It is a challenge.
And I know that sometimes in rooms you'll take 10 photos, 20 photos, and then on the backside you're combining those somehow?
Yes. Stitch them all together, and there are times where I'll take one, I'm like, nope, don't like that, and I keep going until I get what I want. And then I process all my photos together, and I'm like, okay, that's what I want.
You know, I appreciate you being a professional and being a perfectionist, because it makes my life a lot easier when I don't go, so yeah, about that photo shoot. Those are not words you ever want to say to someone and say, we need to redo that, especially if it's a lived-in house. I mean, we definitely don't want to be coming back and inconveniencing people.
Absolutely agree.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you for this awesome tour. Anything you want to share with us about Sky Scout drones?
Sky Scout Drones is here. I'm ready. Call me up. We have a QR code. Go to my website, skyscoutdrones.com. Call us up, 941-445-7632. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Call us up. We'll hook you up.
And I'm telling you, fantastic business. Northport Area Chamber of Commerce put us together, and let me tell you, he is incredible at what he does. So highly recommend you 1,000 times over. And look at all these tools. Like, I'm thinking we could do some really cool things.
Absolutely.
We're going to have some fun.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Sky Scout Drones, innovation that soars.
Let's do it. Hey.